Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Thank you so much for joining me for this super fast project share. This one is so cute. Shane actually made this one for his grandma. So we've got some simple stories, simple vintage, 'tis the season, little papers here, and just a front and back cover. Everything inside is dedicated to photos. So this one he loaded up. I don't know if you can see that, but we use a certain attaching style where this is a hardcover front and back pinwheel style book. This was so fun to kind of just wrap it with some, I decorated it and he constructed it, but this was a blast. I think you can fit about 36 pictures in this and it came together super duper quick. And it's so fun because you can do a horizontal style like he did here. So there is an enormous amount of pictures that can fit in here. And it's so fun because all these pictures just, I mean, it's fun, okay? Look at this. And if you're interested in taking this class, I'll leave it down in the description for you. And it's super fun because you can actually stand it up and these stick together. All these flap out just like this. It's like a little carousel type of thing. Pictures all day long. And during the class, I show you how to attach the front and back cover a certain way so you're never limited on how many flaps you want to put on the interior between. And the edges never meet. So you do not have to worry about the edges bumping into each other. Right here. Look at this. This is like so cool. Oh my gosh. And it only uses a little bit of design paper and it's all photo dedicated. Super quick gift and super fun. I hope you find some inspiration from this. Shane did an excellent job sticking these together. He told me even if it doesn't end up perfect and you kind of get an arch right here, it's still super cute and handmade, and honestly, I love the way it looks. Thank you everyone so much for joining me for this quick little project share. If you liked this one, you'll like this other one up next too that I made with Christmas paper. You can even use any paper you want on this, but Christmas is right around the corner. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.